I'm sharing my most amazing cilantro chutney recipe, or you can call it cilantro dipping sauce. In a blender, add handful of cilantro, 1 whole jalapeno pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of tahin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 cup of yogurt. For mild hot chutney, reduce the garlic and pepper, or remove the seeds from jalapenos. You can alter jalapeno pepper with green chilies and tahin powder with dry mango powder or lemon juice. Blend it till smooth. You can always adjust spices according to your preference. Take it out in serving dish and serve with your favorite cuisine. You can also refrigerate this chutney in airtight container for 1 week. For extra presentation, sprinkle some tahin powder, crushed cumin seeds, and add a cilantro leaf. If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions or questions regarding this recipe, ask in the comment below. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.